Hi everyone, in this session we are going to see how we can provide the data source into the application. So we are going to provide the data source by uploading the file. So this is the easiest way of providing the files directly into the system. So you don't have to do anything, you have to just upload a source file that can be utilized directly into the use case. So let's jump directly into the Amazon Q console and see how it is going to work. So just search for the Amazon Q business and we are going to have only one application. So select the application and what you have to do, as you can see, data sources are 0. So click on add data source. So as I told, we are going to upload the files. Click on plus. So choose the file. So I'm going to provide entire Red Hat based details of the Linux. So this is the file which I want to upload, then click on upload. So after the upload is completed, it is going to take a while, so it can be indexed based on the requirement. So the file has been successfully uploaded. Click on done. So as you can see, the file has been just received. After the receiving, it is going to be processed. After process, it is going to be indexed. So it is going to take a while after getting it available for the use case. So till the time it is getting available, if you refresh it, so now it is into the processing state. So as the processing state continues, you can see preparing file to use as a source. So after the complete processing, the indexation will be taking place. So indexation is going to help us to get all the data from the file. So Amazon Q business app is going to utilize all the index data so that in order to provide the output. Let's see whether the indexation has been done or not. So it's still into the process state, and the bigger the file is, the more time it's going to take to index. So let's upload one more file which is of the smaller size. So in the documents, I do have the Red Hat one. So let's upload it. So it is uploaded now, success. So it is received. So it is going to be faster because it is of very small size as compared to the utilization. It has moved to the processing also. And as you can see, the smaller file has been already indexed. So the bigger the file, the more it is going to take time to index. So based on the utilization, let's see the same application that we were utilizing without the data source, and we are going to continue it. So if we have to say memory command now, just refresh the application before utilization. Now using the same question, memory command. So as you can see, the output has been provided and it is based on the second, which is the major file, which might be completely indexed for the utilization. So both the files are indexed and the output has been provided. So if you want to see a particular scenario, you can put down the command. So kill command in Linux based system. So based on the input provided, it is going to give the output. So that's how the Amazon Q is going to be provided. As the output is available in both the files, so it is going to utilize the source and going to give the appropriate output for the utilization. This is how you can utilize the files through the uploading to the data source. This is a direct way and the easiest way of making the applications data available into the data source. So that's all from this video. Thanks a lot.